Happy 4th of July, y'all. It is I, Star-Lord New Thor 7, here to talk to you about the weather. Because hopefully you're enjoying beautiful weather today, because it's going to go back to weather craziness this week. Persistent showers and thunderstorms could bring localized flash flooding during the week. Storms will target mainly the Midwest and the South into midweek. Sweet. So yeah, and in one of the reports, I pulled so much weather data that, like, it's hard to catch up. But they keep saying that you're going to get the Gulf moisture coming in, and so over the same spots, you're going to be getting rainstorm after rainstorm after rainstorm through the week. That is what I've heard. So starting pretty much tomorrow through next weekend, we're going to get storm after storm after storm. And then, as people have been talking about, we are getting that tropical wave developing, and then it might even get a pre-tropical wave ahead of it. So we might get 2 hurricane, tropical storm, hybrid depressions, bringing tons and tons of rain to the Atlantic coast and the Gulf. So yesterday I tried to point out to people, hey man, you know what? The weather is so wild. You're not going to be able to build a wall. And they're like, get out of America, you idiot. Like, go away. And it's like, dude, I was just trying to tell you that, the $100 billion of infrastructure we're losing a month is not, that pattern is persisting, And I guess some people just don't want to deal with facts. So that's fine. Dude, you're free to believe whatever you want to believe. And here we are just taking a look at all the wild and wacky weather. Look at all this moisture up here. Wow, look at all that moisture there. Yep, they're funking with it. Acid funk, F-U-N-K. And dude, there's a lot of moisture everywhere. I guess that cometary dust is causing more rain. Okay, so this is America right here. These are the dew points, but just kind of showing how half of America's really wet, and half of America's really, really hot and dry. That's crazy. And this is the weather right now. And that's a lot of rain for, just a July 4th. Sorry if your 4th of July is getting rained out. And this is the loop for the week. See, this is I think this goes through Friday. And as you can see, pretty much all day, every day, half of the United States is going to be getting rain. And so I've been making a joke on Twitter lately going every day, meaning the maps we look at are like this, every single day where it's almost the majority of our country is going to get wet. Some spots are going to get really severe weather. And I'm going to do another video in the future saying, hey, babies, we got tornado problems. Like, we're getting tornadoes in wild, wacky spots. And like Maine hadn't had tornadoes in a long time, and they had 3 the other day. So this is the 5th. And look at on the 5th, look at all these spots, say 70% of our country is going to get rain. And this is the 6th. Hey, look, once again, the giant spot, like the rain is just going to keep on continuing. And then, like I said, we got this hurricane, which I'm almost guaranteed at some point, the storm, I'm pretty sure the storm is going to move up in here. And the high pressure zone is going to either pull it up the East Coast. How close it gets, we don't know. How strong it's going to be, we don't know. But it's definitely something to watch out for. I've literally gone out on a limb and said I'm pretty sure it's going to reach hurricane status and then hit America. Now, it may downgrade into a tropical storm for insurance purposes right before it does. But I got a strong feeling that it's going to cause problems. Now, you can disagree with me. A lot of people down thumbs that video, and it's like, hey, buddy, it hadn't even happened yet. So it's like, you're basically saying my prediction's wrong, and it's, which you can guess my predictions are wrong. I'm just saying, I'm pretty sure I'm right. I could be wrong. I'm more than happy to be wrong, Okay. Now, this is just, we're going to run through the tropical. This is the rain for the next week. Kind of get an idea what we're looking at. But yeah. Remember when the storms show up, they're always worse than this map shows us, but we're going to see, consistent rainfall coming for about a week, starting tomorrow. And it's pretty much the same pattern. The giant bacon strip just forms up in the middle of America in the Four Corners and then just heads east. So we got a lot more rain. We got a lot more torn up infrastructure due to flooding, roads, bridges, homes, businesses. But hey, man, if nobody's worrying about it, then just, we ain't got to worry about it. Like, we got $20 trillion debt. We ain't got to worry about it, right? Weather, we ain't got to worry about it. We ain't got to worry about nothing, man. Easy living. That's how it be. So that is cool, man. All right, I can handle that. So no fear, no worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to know it note for note. Don't worry. All right, so just letting you know, we got storms coming. Wave after wave after wave after wave after wave. So God bless everybody. Thank you very much to the soldiers out there who stand on the wall, guarding what we have left of freedom, and to the soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice. And I just wish one day we, the people, would grab our bootstraps, rise up, and create a system that works for everybody. That would be great. Because as I've said many times, I have absolutely no faith in either political party, and I see no evidence that shows me that either political party is good. But that makes everybody mad. Because you know what? Hey, I have my delusions of grandeur too. I like to think I'm super awesome, superhero. And I guess if you guys want to think your political parties are super awesome, that you're allowed to, I guess. But all right, so love you guys. We don't always have to agree. Back in the day, people used to be allowed to think their own thoughts. But times they change, Anyway, love you guys. Talk to you soon.